Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert arrow in WPS Spreadsheet. If you want to do it, first you need to go to Insert tab, and after that you need to open Shapes. It is very important to find this one option, because here you can find specific arrows which you can try to use. For example, we have here block arrows. I select this one option to use an arrow, and after that if I want to draw it, I need to press and hold left mouse button somewhere here. And then I need to change position to another one where I want to insert the arrow. So for example, I draw arrow somewhere here, and how you see it has been successfully created here. Of course, you can edit the length of this arrow if you want and change the position of this arrow. Or you can modify this shape style by clicking on this one option. And for example, you can select another color. For example, I select green. And I can change the preset style, for example, to dash line. I can modify the outline color by clicking on this one option. And for example, I can select here the yellow color. And how you see, it really works, yeah? So in this way you can add an arrow in WPS Spreadsheet. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in a comment if it's of a problem.